In this video, I'll walk you through how in 2020 you can control how your birthday and birth date are displayed to people on Facebook. Here we go. So here we are on the homepage of Peter Wilkins' profile. Clicked on the About here and I selected Contact and Basic Information. So just scroll down a little bit here, you'll see 3 entries, date of birth, and if I click Edit there, you'll see currently it's set to display the date, 17th December, to friends, but if I look at the next option, the year of birth, that's only me. So in that way, people could still wish you a happy birthday, but they don't know the exact date of birth included. So you've got full control. You could make both of these. You could change that one now to only me. Because one of the issues with Facebook initially was that the date of birth in full is displayed to anyone who visits the profile, which isn't really desirable. But I'll make that change now. And I'll show you the same process in the new interface. So if I switch it to the new Facebook that came out in 2020, again, here we are in the About section. We click on Contact and Basic Info, you scroll down and Edit is slightly different, but the results there are the same. They're set to only me. And if you were to change the date of birth, do note that's the last time you'll be able to change your birthday. Obviously, they don't want artificial information in there. So there's an individual entry for the actual year as well. But other than that, it's pretty similar. So that's how you do it. Make sure you take control of how your information is presented on Facebook so you're as secure as possible. That's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.